Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable Bing search within the Windows 10 Start menu. So if you find yourself opening up the Start menu and typing in stuff and you notice there's an option to search the web, so let me just type in Wikipedia for example, you notice there's going to be an option to search the web. If you want to disable that so it won't be looking for that anymore, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in regedit. So regedit. Best match should come back with registry editor. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I'd highly suggest that you create a backup of it, so if anything ever went wrong, you're welcome to restore it back without too much of a hassle. And in order to do that, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the File tab, select Export. Export range should be selected to all. File name should be something easily familiar, so usually the date in which you're making the backup makes the most amount of sense. And save it to a convenient location on your computer. So once you've made your backup, now you want to expand the HK current user folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down menu. Now you want to do the exact same thing for the software folder. Same thing now for the Microsoft folder under here. Same thing for Windows, so scroll down a little bit. Same thing for current version, so expand that one. And now there should be a folder that says search. Just left click on that one time. Please note on the top of the registry editor screen here you can see the path that we are on, so if you feel like you need to pause the video and catch up to where we are, you're welcome to. Feel free to rewatch that part of the video as well, but this is where we are currently in the registry editor. And now on the right side you want to look for something that says Cortana consent right here. Double click on that. You want to make sure value data is set to 0, which it is in my case, but if it's anything other than 0, you want to delete it and type the number 0 in here. Base should be default hexadecimal, which is fine, and then select OK. Next thing you want to do is right click in a blank area over here on the right side, select new, and then select dword 32-bit value. You want to type in Bing search enabled exactly as it appears on my screen. I'll have it up on the screen of the video as well. So again, Bing search enabled, no spaces at all. I'll probably have it in the description of the video as well. So just want to make sure you spell that correctly here. So again, Bing search enabled. So pretty important, you want to make sure you get that correct here. And now that you have that, you can cloak out of it anywhere you want, doesn't really matter. So it should be a default data value of 0. So if you double click on it, make sure value data is set to 0 here. Now just left click on OK. You can close out of the registry editor at this time, restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.